We are here at the Philadelphia Museum, aka the Rocky Steps. There he is, the man and the legend, Rocky Balboa, aka Stallone. We are here at the Philadelphia Museum, aka the Rocky Steps. We've got 5 flights of stairs, we've got 4 participants, and it is go time, so let's hit it. Go! They're smoking me, but early out of the gate doesn't mean anything. Flight number 2 up. Ooh, swerving that water. Flight number 3, here we go. Okay, flight number 4, double stepping it. And flight number 5. Okay, we got a fountain. We're jogging. We got a fountain. All the way. And they are smoking me. Couple more. God, he's feeling it. He's feeling it. And he tumbles. Thank you so much. Here. Okay.